just had to wake up everybody over here at my mama's house. Today, me and the boys going out of town. Yeah, sir, we finna go out of town. Oh, that was Sexy Red in there. It's I forgot what the guy name is on Instagram. When I find it, I'ma probably just slap it up on there somewhere. But yeah, bro ass got a car show. Car show this today, St. Louis. It's finna be fun. We finna make something out of nothing. Shit, real talk, we finna make something out of something. All us going out there, we finna be lit. Well, the real gang, you know. I'll hit y'all up when we get back with them. Oh man. Oh. Cause I'm vlogging, nigga. Back with the Shenanigans. You see how we coming?
Yeah, man.
We on our way to Ski Town. We on our way to Ski Town, man. So, let's see. We got this road. Finna beat this road down. Nigga, give me my cord.
Oh shit, this yours.
They trying to steal my shit.
There's so many of these bitches around.
Nigga, that's a real charger.
I know, right?
This nigga
You need
here.
that.
This guy here.
Would you help the driver?
Let's go.
Bro,
Hey.
he just took a real iPhone charger to put another iPhone charger in it. This guy is crazy, bro. Bye-bye. Oh, bro. Oh, here we go. Bro, first stop. This motherfucker right here, bro. Tim, if you seeing this, bro, man, folks, hey, this, man, it's dirty. It's your fault. It's your fault why he wanna hawk down a motherfucking Mustang. I wanna see it, baby. Nah, 20 minutes out the way. Whoa, what up, my boy? You back here cooling.
Yeah, man.
At least it's warm in here. It's cold in there.
I'm trying to see sexy, fuck.
He trying to see
I'm trying
sexy.
to see Sexy Red. Hey, Breezo. She said she be in the loo in the scat. I'm trying to see it, man.
All you gotta do is say ski yeet. Oh, bro. Right now we up in Kankakee. We in Kankakee, bro. We go. We almost there. Hell nah. Fuck no. Hey, I'm off like 3 hours of sleep. I don't need no type of nothing. Man. Yeah, but hey. We here. We on the way. Definitely on the way to motherfucking
JG. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this nigga slow.
It's our birthday.
This nigga
Hey,
so
Breeze,
slow.
you got some gas?
Oh, you look swole, folks.
I know, so I've been in that gym. Let's see what this is.
Nah, for real. This nigga slow. He talking about you owe us 28 for running a race a Mustang. This guy.
I had to gap that Mustang.
Oh man. Folks just bought us some bought me a Red Bull, but we yeah, hey, we need to catch one. I ain't gonna lie. Oh man.
Yeah, we was just rolling.
Oh bro. Just put my shit right here. Appreciate it, boy. Got me what I need. Get us through the motherfucking day. Oh man.
That shit probably even tickle the tank.
What you put in there?
50 miles.
Wow.
Oh, we good. We rolling.
Bro,
We ain't gotta get no more gas till we get back on this bitch.
Fuck it, then we good. Bro.
Since you want
So much for the convicts. I'm just trying to put them.
Oh man. break down now. Man. I might have to convert over.
Say drive booming, all the junk you driving through like Chick-fil-A. Post the link up with your dad, forgot I had to keep on playing.
Hey man, what the hell?
Count me. How much gas you got, folks?
I'm rolling, folks. I'm cool.
Yeah. You on full?
Yeah, I'm rolling. I got half a tank.
Yeah.
What you
I got
got?
111 miles.
I got 150 though.
We got 130.
We gotta go down. I mean,
What?
we go.
We gonna get there.
We gonna get there.
We ain't that far though.
Oh, bro,
I
you
know
not
that.
that far.
How many miles away?
Zero.
Bro, I ain't
Zero.
gonna
What?
I ain't gonna lie. What's called it? Weird. The waves little shit say.
Will.
Yeah.
Oh, they went 107 miles. They say we get that. What?
At one.
Oh, we got an hour and 28 minutes left.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
CJ no fucking shopper.
That's the 20th one we done seen today.
That's the new transformer too.
He still got his fucking
He
lights
got his
on.
lights back on.
They keep on jumping on and off.
Scatter that county mountain.
You hear me?
These niggas in here shopping in the vendor.
Oh, they
These niggas retarded, bro. They keep arguing and everything.
Is they? Look at them. Look at their ass.
Fucking Camden there. Camden. I'm talking about Camden. Hanging in there.
Tyreek. Where we at right by the Libra?
Y'all ready? They have some sunflower seeds in that cup?
How long? No, I got me some corn nuts. Chum, folks.
Get to the
Tell
machine. He about the last bag of Lay's.
He mad as
A
hell.
big bag of Lay's, bro.
I tell you.
He mad as hell. They had the last one.
I just asked him if he wanted.
No.
Them bitches stale.
The
bitch is
still. I'm gonna open up them corn nuts in the truck.
Put them in the trunk,
I
man.
said, I'm banging it.
Yeah, go back there with the air freshener, man.
Hell
I
no.
used to buy corn nuts and just suck the
Talking
flavor
shit
out
like
of
I
them.
got
That's a
my
game.
blick on.
That's a game.
What's that, Danish? All right, come on, man. We got a couple minutes left.
Come on, for everybody, PP.
Yeah, man. Talk about PP.
No more stops. No drink, no more juice. Oh, bro, I seen it when he was driving, folks. I swear to God, I seen that shit.
Even if you would help me, why would I call y'all? Now I gotta pay that nigga's tab plus all y'all. So I'd rather take that long ride by.
Last stop. We about. We got an hour left. Damn, that shit ain't even, hold on. That shit ain't even. We got about an hour left. We in the middle of, we don't fucking know. So well, we probably should be, but we in.
We doing too much stopping, folks.
Hey,
Still on time.
hey, he just turned. Dude, he just turned out of nowhere.
Yeah,
Like,
that's what CJ's like, oh.
he just fucking turned for nothing. What did you eating, bro? What you eating now? You hungry?
That's a jerk chicken from my kid. How much premium?
What? Is that nice? Is that nice? What the fuck is my shit at?
I just paid like $469 for that shit. 100 on 70.
Yeah, you finna fill up, right? Man, we in the middle of summer, but we like 50 minutes away. 46 minutes away. Really 30 fucking with these niggas.
Get a Subway sound.
He talking about a Subway sandwich. Well, I ain't eating nothing today, bro. No food today. Straight work.
Very work.
Bro. Man.
A few moments later.
Bro, we made it. We made it. We made it in this motherfucker. Now we gotta get the cars washed because they fucking full of bugs. But we here though, boy. There's some shit here. It's still early though. Still early. Still early. And that's like a 22. That's a 4 damn there. That shit look good.
That's payback, people.
Exactly. For what y'all did to him.
We did to him. Yeah.
Hey, is this the one that used to be on 6s?
Hey, I'm over here confused. Like, why did you do that?
Because when I getting up there,
I downshift.
Man, yeah, bro. They did him dirty. Getting the cars washed by, man. What's y'all company name, bro?
Go-to guy.
Oh, there you go. We're getting this together right now, bro. Yes, sir. Ooh, it sound nasty. Bro, we finna go ahead, see what it's looking like up here. Wait till we get these cars washed, we gonna start walking around this motherfucker. Ooh-wee. Some pressure right here. Look at this, some pressure. Pressure. What up, what up? Oh damn, they put the new forges on there.
Yeah, he did it. Hey.
What did you get here?
They got the new forges on there. He look good.
They look great. Take y'all 7 weeks, they took me 3.
That look good, I ain't gonna lie. Bro. That big ass 34. A 305, 25, 34. That's crazy. That's crazy. Chicago right here. It's out west. Out west, you know. Yes, sir. Oh, you gotta bring your car over here. Man. You heard me, Breezel? You gotta bring your car over here. You gotta bring the car over here. Did you arrest me? Yo, bitch! Bad shit, 2.0.
Hey.
I ain't gonna lie, this nasty right here. That's nasty.
We putting this shit all in the box. Done got a little buzz, now I'm popping. Got racks in my pockets. Some bitch nigga reach and I pop. It's you or it's me, that's the option. You got that little pistol, ain't poppin', ain't got you no body. See, really, you niggas nobodies. Got rank in the city. I make me one call you body. See, we flashing crashes a hobby. Been going too fast with this shit, something like Ricky Bobby. I'm strapped like it's part of my body. Sit at the shoulders, I'm something like Fraser and Harley. You faking, you niggas a copy. I bet if I give it this finish, she jump out of body. It's wet, but I bet it gets sloppy. Cause I got a stroke, give a hope, and I bet he can't got me. What's all on that field was a jockey, but I had been jumping that field before police and I hockey. These niggas too pussy to stop me. Bumping their guns on the neck like they don't know where I be.
K5 clean. That paint is nasty.
D-label, they trying to stop me, but I'm only here for my son, ain't no feeling what I need. Young man, the crib
That
like
top off, that's nasty.
Hey, hold on, dialogue. Hey, get it right.
Hey.
I'm finna punch in. I'm finna double back. Hey.
Justin, where you at? Justin, where you? Oh, there you go.
Hey, see, I'm
You want? You want?
I'm coming through this life.
Dang, it's nasty.
My body, but if I
You gotta frame out.
Dang, he nasty. I ain't gonna lie. Look at
You
that.
gotta frame out.
Oh, yeah. He official. I ain't gonna lie. He official.
Smelling like gas up a target. Caught an eye black and he pussy on see, we talking bodies. Talking.
Yeah,
These
fish.
niggas ain't really stepping, they really just walking. These niggas the best, they be talking. I got some killers on me, they gon' do for the profit.
He is official. Oh, man. He nice, but I ain't a big fan of the Corvette like stuff on the short beds, bro. I'm not a real big fan of that. But he clean though. Without that, he'd been nasty. Been nasty without that. It's a lot of music going on in here. It's a lot of music, but we still gonna get past all that shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just gonna let y'all hear everything. I'm let y'all hear everything. It is what it is. I ain't doing nothing finna do all that shit, bro. I ain't even do that, man. But come on. Come on.
Place say jailbreak.
Damn, look at that colors though. This color is nasty.
Say jailbreak, though.
Wow. It's nasty. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I'm following y'all. It's lights, nice ass lights on that. More poor guys right here. They be nasty too. He just riding through that motherfucker. Come on, let's go that way. And that shit over there. Well, right here.
I'm going to up them trucks over there. I know what type of trucks them is. Food trucks.
Oh, man. Just a quick walkthrough real quick. Motherfucker actually clean with them Lexani's on there. Crazy.
Like Sonny, that
Oh,
look
bro,
good.
look good. He
You
clean.
got a steering wheel too.
Hey, this finna, I'm finna get
You
this.
got to match the wheel.
You hear me? Clean. Let's go colors over there. We'll come back and get that one. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this nasty in person. This is nasty, I ain't gonna lie. This hard.
7-inch lip too.
That's why I say this motherfucker tough, bro.
26 with a 7-inch lip.
This tough. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see that?
I like this though. This is clean.
This tough. I ain't gonna lie. And ain't got a brake system on there too. Ooh-wee. Clean, bro. Say HD. This before. Dang. It's nasty, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
Oh, you cool. Man. Bro, it's hot out here. Hey, it's raining and shit where we came from. Cold. It's hot as hell out here. What a different 4 hours can make. Uh-oh.
We go 2 times.
Oh my god.
Hold out his head. You know the rounds is different with the dude.
Rico 2 times say stop playing with me.
Wheels coming, new 6. Y'all will see. Stay tuned for Bag Talk, y'all.
This look real good. That big cap phone, this look good. That wheel look good on there to me, y'all. Yeah, that's nasty. A Firebird over there now. Yeah, he look good, especially with that to be a pro with a big cap. Nasty. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at this. That's nasty too. This right here, this color is nice. Clean, simple. 75. Ooh. Damn. This shit is nasty, I ain't gonna lie. That look good. My bad. That look good, I ain't gonna lie. I wish wish y'all like the low riders. I would have showed y'all, but y'all don't be never want to look at that type of shit. Got some things on there. That motherfucker nice too. Oh, that's different.
Worth a quarter. Don't get that another powder. If you're serving in the shower, I'm not having with my ghost is through the slaughter.
Motherfucker came close right there looking good. That look good. Oh, he got some stuff done. He got that old man. That's the old man special right there. Man, look at this though. It's nasty.
But I can't come through the state. Can't stay too long. Can't stay too long. I gotta keep moving. I gotta keep moving. My girl, she waits. I don't wanna be fooled. I don't wanna be fooled.
Right over there.
It's a nice color right there. That's a nice color. Oh man, what the fuck is that movie? Hey, that's his ass. Bro. Woo-wee. Alright, man. Crazy. Come on, kids. What are they doing? What they doing? That's that nigga with that motherfucking chopper who steady backfiring and shit. I think his name JD Nation with the CA. That look good. Oh, I got it zoomed in still. That look good. Nice. I ain't gonna lie, I like this. Wow. I did not notice that. You bogus. You bogus was put that man out like that. Wow, bro.
Oh, see, they got gazelles on glass.
I guess we done. Wow, long. Good thing we got here when we got here. Cause shit, look at this line crazy. I got them joints up out here, bro. Back to back and it's packed. It's getting there. It ain't packed yet, but it's getting there though. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely getting there. I'm gonna wait till this place get a little more packed. I'm gonna walk around with the camera, show y'all what else came through it. I'm gonna do a second walkthrough. So